Elizabeth Likens here with a moment of reflection. Today's reflection is by Vincent Peale. Change your thoughts and you change your world. Now, several things came up for me with this quote. Firstly, we need to understand that we are not our thoughts. Secondly, no one can control what thoughts arise in their consciousness, but we can master how much attention we give them, which will change the way that they occupy what we do. For example, if you have a random thought, that's because something in your environment has triggered a recall of information that you already have in your brain. It doesn't necessarily have any specific meaning, but if you give attention and more focus on that thought, a new story will develop out of that thought, and it may be completely random and not useful whatsoever. On the other hand, if you just observe that thought and just let it pass, or even recognize that it's kind of wonky, you just withdraw your attention and that thought will extinguish itself and some other random thought will just pop up. Because the brain is always trying to give you something to solve. And if you don't focus on whatever thought it has served to you, it will give you another one. And in this way, if we remain vigilant, we can manage our thoughts, change the predominant thoughts that stay in our focus, and it will completely transform our life. If you take nothing else away from this reflection, you are not your thoughts. Have a great day.